Are you looking for the Tineco Pure 1 S12 Smart Cordless Stick Vacuum Cleaner? We've reviewed nicely, so let's start. Features: iLoop Smart Sensor Technology. This unique technology detects hidden dirt and automatically adjusts suction power in real time and is the main selling point of Tineco that other brands don't offer. A colorful band around the outer rim turns from red to blue to signify a clean floor for a guided cleaning experience and reassurance that your floors are actually getting clean. 6 times more cleaning power. The Pure 1 S12 boasts a 500W motor that can deliver up to 22 kPa of suction power on its highest vacuum setting. According to Tineco, this device is 6 times more powerful than other cordless stick vacs, though there are several similar powered models to choose from in this day and age. However, the Pure 1 S12 is a one-of-a-kind stick vacuum cleaner that does easy work of removing pet hair, dried food, and dust from low and mid-pile carpeting. It can struggle on shaggy area rugs, but a few extra passes are all it takes to extract every last speck of dirt from the shaggy fibers. LED display. At the end of the motor house, you'll find a colored LED display that reveals everything you need to know about your Pure 1 S12, including remaining battery life, power level, and maintenance issues. The different maintenance indicators will identify which parts of your Pure 1 S12 need attention instead of blindly trying to identify and solve problems. Filtration System. The vacuum features 3 filters, a mesh filter that encases a reusable pre-filter inside the dustbin, and a HEPA filter that captures 99.97% of particles. The pre-filter is unique in that it is cleaned without water, automatically, with no downtime using the special cleaning tool attachment, and it also includes a backup. The smart app tracks filter use to let you know when you should clean it, but a good rule of thumb is monthly for the pre-filter and every 6 months for the HEPA filter. Pros: iLoop dust sensor detects hidden dirt and automatically adjusts power. LED display indicates dirt level, battery, suction power, and possible malfunctions. Cons: only chargeable through wall dock. Dust cups are not the easiest to empty